the army crawl. Doesn't look like much, but it got her from over here to over there. She's still going. She's still going. Those green beans gave her extra energy. She needs to rest. Guess this is the new way I'm gonna clean my floors. Baby is gonna dust mop them with her clothes.